In this question, we're asked to determine which of the following polynomial expressions are equivalent to or is equivalent to 6x squared minus 6x minus 120. I'm going to start by adding a graph. And like I said, this isn't the way that I would want this question to be done. But when it comes down to June, this question is going to mean the difference between passing or failing. I'm going to take care of, be aware of every opportunity that I have. I start by graphing the polynomial 6x squared minus 6x minus 120. And the concept that we have to keep in mind here is equivalent means they have the exact same value, but they may look different. Graphically, to have the same value, they must trace over each other. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually go in and I'm going to graph my choices. The first one being 2x plus 30 multiplied by 3x minus 4. And I see that it doesn't trace over my initial function, so I'm going to hunch is that that's not an equivalent expression. I'm now going to type in my next one, which is 6x multiplied by x minus 1 minus 120. It gives me an error. And the reason that error is coming into play is the calculator doesn't understand our implied multiplication. So I had to actually go in and in this equation, insert a multiplication symbol in between the x and the x minus 1. As you see, the black line here, or black curve, goes directly right over the red one. So those are equivalent. I'm going to now test my last one, which is 6 and x minus 5 and x plus 4. And I see that that also traces it right over it. So the last two polynomials, or factored polynomials, are equivalent to the first one. Specifically, 6x times x minus 1 minus 120, and 6 times x minus 5 and x plus 4.